Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And this is Chris. And today we are going to talk about what is the best free password management software. And of course, on our side, we highly recommend KeePass. So right now I'm logging into my KeePass and I want to show you why. But first of all, before anything else, I would like to tell you guys the importance about password management. Okay, in the market today, we have the SSO or the single sign-on password, and it's actually, if you will read the definitions in Wikipedia, it's actually sounds like so nerdy. So let's just use the term sign-on, which means you have to provide one password for any sign-on password that you have. Meaning, if you have a Windows password, you can use that as your sign-on password to your email, to your Facebook, and whatever. Now, the bad side about it, if a hacker or intruder know your main password, then everything else in your account is already exposed. But with KeePass, what happens that KeePass is a password management tool which actually utilizes and stores your passwords in a very secured database. And right now, you can even actually see the features. It has a password management, an import and export, auto type, global hotkeys, drag and drop, browser support, built-in password generator if you want to use that, plugins, and of course, the best thing to do is it secures your password per categories. What do I mean by categories? If you have a general password, you have a Windows password, a network password, an internet password, an email, or even a banking password, and you can even customize your own password here by clicking the add entry button here. So that's the power of KeePass. And I recommend that you download KeePass at 8downloads.com. And if you have any comments or questions regarding our videos, you can just go ahead and go to our 8downloads.com website and comment on our contact us section. This is Chris again saying have a great day to all.